Meh.
Oh, I think it's gonna be big. Might be a big one.
It's bluegill, isn't it?
It's a rock bass.
Rock bass. I noticed it didn't have spines.
Oh no, it has spines.
Oh, does it?
Yep.
It's pretty rough.
Yes, it
You
is.
gotta study a line for him.
Oh, the fish is stinking heavy.
Alright. You want to drop the line and touch him again?
Yeah, I don't want to get spines.
You won't. I'm holding the spines down. See?
Yeah, okay.
You just gotta set the line down, otherwise you're not gonna get close enough.
Jesus, set it. Hey.
Yep.
What is this? What kind of fish is it?
A rock bass. It's a lot like a sunny.
Oh, jeez. What's the mouth moving out?
That's it breathing.
Jeez, that's weird. Huh?
Oh yeah, it's huge.
It is? Okay, now I'm taking it home. Nope, it's a baby. Looks like this one's tough.
Yeah, he doesn't want to stop flopping. Hold the rod steady for me.
This thing's heavy.
Yes, it is. There we go. Got him.
Okay.
Alright. Cool. Another one.
How much is it? What kind is it?
That is a sunny.
It
Looks like
a... Hey! Oh, it must be big. So far you catch 3 fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, technically you caught 2 of them. Nope, this is another rock bass.
Does that have spikes?
Yep.
Jeez, these leaves are falling on me. That all must be starting. Huh?
Yep. Yeah, all I had to do was wiggle it out.
That's cool. Throw it in. Just throw it.
I don't like to throw them in because sometimes it can hurt them. That's why I set them in nice and gentle.
Close the trap.
That one get it?
Yep, he's heading back out into the water.
Okay, let me try.
I think it's a sunny.
What is it, Sonny?
Yep, it's a sunny.
I don't know how to grab them, Zach.
Alright, lift the rod up so that you can grab the line up above him. Alright, and then what you want to do, run your hand down the line and push back his fins. So when you push back his fins, he can't stab you, alright? I'll do it for you this time. You just gotta get the hook out of the mouth. Alright? There you go. You want to put him back?
Go ahead.
Oh, you gotta go out farther. Oh, he's got it. Alright. There you go. Got your first one of the day.
Yep. End of the year.
Yeah.
Ooh, rock bass, I think.
Nope, sunny.
Big sunny.
Yeah, that's a big sunny. That's the biggest catch of the day.
Too big for me. You handle it. I'll hold the camera.
Alright.
These guys are Sonny. Hey, Sonny. How are you?
That's a nice one.
Living that pool and need some rubble?
Move your hand.
Need some grumble?
And bring him up on the bank.
Oh, look at that. So look at that.
Yeah, set it.
Caught using a gold trout magnet. Nice smallmouth bass. You can put down the rod and touch him if you want.
Huh?
Oop.
Huh?
You gotta put down the rod. There's not enough slack.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, does he have gills?
Yep.
Are you sure he's fine?
Yeah.
He's water.
If he's still on, he might have popped off.
Man, he's still there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's still on.
Sunny or rock bass.
A big head.
Yeah, it's not a big fish.
It's like a 3-inch one. It's almost like a 7. Where is he?
I'll just slide down. Careful of the hook.
Is that where'd he go?
Oh, it's alright, it's alright.
I know, I'm just not used to it.
Another thing that works, if you grab his sides,
Wait, does this one have
fins, yes. There you go. Now just take the hook out. Tyler's trying to find reception.
Okay, then where'd he go to find reception?
Can I toss him back?
You want to toss him back?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where'd he go to find reception? That was good.
Is that enough water for him?
He can move, so yep. There you go. Yeah, just caught it on the trout
Is
magnet.
it big enough?
Not really. Stop stabbing me. Another sunny.
Where's my bobber?
I didn't know you had the camera on you. Okay. Where's your bobber? There it is.
We've got a lot of fight in them. Oh, that's a good sized one.
It's a real nice one.
There you go. Got another one on the day.
Nothing's fixed.
There we go. Alright. Let's get it off the hook. I believe we're up to 12 or 13 now today. Got another one. Another small rock bass. Rock bass and sunnies make up the day with one or two smallmouths. Just got in the stand. It's about 4:30. Meh. But the arrow's covered in blood.